everyone! Welcome to Cricut Time! If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to get ready for fall. For this project, I picked up this cute little pumpkin and I just need some black vinyl. Let's start out in Design Space. When I'm designing a project like this one, which is in a regular shape, the easiest thing to do is just take a picture of it and upload it into Design Space. It's super simple. Just click on Upload, Upload Image, and then find your file and drop it onto the screen. For viewing a picture like this, I always choose Complex. If you have Cricut access, just click on Remove Background, and it will take all, or at least most, of the background out for you. Press Apply and Continue. To see the image, choose Print and Cut. If you plan on making any more of these in the future, save the image name as something you can easily find again. You can also add in keywords as tags, so you can easily find your picture again in the future. Now I can press Upload. Select it, and press Add to Canvas. I have measured out my pumpkin, and it is 6 inches wide. Now I can resize this picture so it's also 6 inches, which will take the guesswork out of how big I need to make my vinyl. I just have to click this little lock so the height and width both change, and type in 6 inches for the width. Now I can bring in my writing. I just have to add in a text box, Next, I'll change the font. The font I will be using today is Hello Casual, which I downloaded from dafont.com. Just resize it so it fits nicely. You'll notice the line spacing here is pretty big, so I'll just make it a bit smaller. I'll try -2. That's still a bit too roomy between the two lines, so I can just click on the arrows to fine-tune it. There, that looks good. I don't actually need to print out the pumpkin layer, so I'll just click on the little eyeball here to hide this layer from view. Now this is ready to press Make It. Cut out a piece of vinyl a bit larger than your design. Stick it down to a green mat, and use a brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Now just pop it into your Cricut or Silhouette. Grab your weeder tool and use it to pull off the background. Take a piece of transfer tape, a little bit larger than the design, and stick it on. Flip the mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to get it off. Use your scraper tool to stick it down to the vinyl really well. Then flip it over and pull off the backing paper. All you have to do now is just line the design up into position and stick it on when you're happy with the placement. Use the scraper tool to stick the vinyl down and then pull off the transfer tape. Well, this looks great and is ready for fall. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.